Hi there. You caught us playing a bit of music. Oh, welcome to Play in the Park. It's Jamie and Dora from the library.
Hi.
Oh, now we're here today to look into a bit more STEM stuff. Oh, today we're doing, what are we doing?
STEM, science, technology, engineering and maths, and we're doing that with some pom-pom catapults.
Check it out.
So, here's our homemade catapult. Do you know what we've used for this? A spoon, a rubber band, and some cardboard tube. And there's 3 parts to this catapult. So we have got our lever, that's the long part of the spoon, because we can use that to lever the spoon. We've got a load, which we're going to put up here in the spoon. Can you guess what the load's going to be?
Is it these cute little fluffy things?
Yeah.
Ruff, 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 ruff.
Meow, meow.
Read up, read up, read up.
That's going to be our load. And we've also got an interesting thing here where the rubber band joins up and pivots. That's called the fulcrum.
Oh, is it like milk? Is it a type of milk?
Like full cream? Sort of, but not quite.
Oh, yum! I love full cream milk. Can we have a hot chocolate after this?
I love hot chocolates. Sure, Jamie. Okay, so there is something a little bit different about each one of these catapults. There's 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Can you spot the difference?
Oh, is it the position of the spoon?
Yes, it is. This one's sitting very high because the fulcrum's right down the bottom of the spoon, of the lever. And this one's sitting in the middle of the lever.
Oh, I think I know. This one's sitting... Kids, help me. Is it sitting at the top?
Yeah.
Oh, it is at the top.
It is at the top. Now, which one of these catapults do you think will flick our pom-pom the furthest? We're going to see if we can launch it right over the other side of the fence.
Whoa, which pom-pom's the bravest? I hope it's my yellow one.
Let's try it.
All right, I'm going to test it out. Blue one first.
Okay.
Here we go, blue ones.
Move it back a little bit, Jamie.
Oh, okay.
Put your blue one on the little spoon.
Oh, we'll start with the little one. Here we go. 1,
Ready?
2, 3, launch.
Bop! Oh! Did you see that little jump the blue pom-pom made? That was pretty cool.
Very cool. Next, we'll try the yellow one on the one with the middle as the fulcrum.
Let's
1,
see how far this one goes.
2, 3. Whee!
Oh, that one seemed to jump a little bit higher.
Third one. Come here, little purple guy. Oh, come back here. Okay, jump in there.
Okay, Jamie, this time your lever's going to travel quite a long way from there.
Okay, are you feeling brave? Are you going to fly a long way? Here we go.
Whoa! Did you see that?
Golly gosh!
It didn't quite make it over the fence, but it did go a long way off the table.
Don't worry, little fella. We'll rescue you soon. I hope you took a packed lunch.
Or you could have some fun making some catapults at home. Oh, and another idea you can do that with
I'll bring this up here.
is a post-pack tube.
Yeah.
Jamie, do you want to show them how we can attach our spoon and our rubber band fulcrum?
I'll turn it around this way so it's a little bit easier. All you have to do is slip the band over the spoon and go under, and there we go, it stays on. And then we've got a long lever, a shorter lever, and an even shorter. Okay.
And I think this is going to be ready for some more catapult fun. See you next time.
See you later. Have fun with your catapult.